In this video, we'll be scheduling an appointment for a different or out-of-area agent. Start by clicking Schedule a Showing. We'll be scheduling a showing as the listing agent of a property we currently have on the market. Type in the address of your listing and select the date, appointment duration, and time frame. If the agent showing the property is in your area, type their name in the search bar. If the agent is out of your area, check the box next to Out of Area Agent. Enter their contact information and press Save. Click Schedule Now to add the appointment to your calendar. Since it's your listing, you can review and approve the request right away, and we'll see the confirmed appointment on your schedule.